Hello and welcome back. So we have to write a function to check if a number is weird or not. Okay. So if it is 3, it's odd, so it has to be 1, right? And it has to be odd or it is even, then what should happen is that it should be in the range of 6 and 20, right? So we can simply frame the uh, condition accordingly. Okay. So what we can do perhaps is and thing and modulo 2 equals 0. That means if we get 3, right, so that's going to be uh, 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 it has to be odd, right? So it's not equals to 0, that means this is odd number, right? So that means the condition will be satisfied, and we need to check for other condition as well, which should be, there will be two different condition. Okay, so in that situation it has to be n should be modulo 2 equals should be 0, right? It has to be even, and right, so and what should happen is it should be within, n should be uh within 6 to 20, right? So we can check that uh, 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 uh perhaps like this. Do you think maybe it has to be like that? And then let's just add a condition: n is greater than 6, greater or equals to 6, and right, and it has to be what, n has to be less than equals to 20. Okay, so I'm checking for this condition, right? Hopefully it works, right? So what I'm doing is I'm just chaining two things up. Okay, so it has to be uh if it is odd, right, if it is odd we give out 1, right? So it's true over here. When it evaluates over here it will be false, and everything else over here will not matter. Okay, so because it's already false over here and we are using and operator, and false and true will always be false, right? So and then this is already true or false. In that situation it will be true, right? That's why we get 1. Okay, so that's how I solved it. Let's submit the code. Let's see other people's solution. Hopefully we get something unique. Okay, other people are doing something similar. Right, something very much similar. Okay. Yeah, this guy is doing something similar to what I did, just using ternary operation. Okay, so that's how we can basically solve this problem. Okay, so if you are beginner you can basically solve it like this as well. That's fine, right? But that's how I chose to do it in this particular case, right? I just made this instruction as a in code form only. That's what I did. Okay, so if you don't understand, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.